I used to live down the street in Phoenix, Arizona from the Indian school, and I watched those poor kids marching single file with their heads down, and I thought, what an absolute nightmare. Who would do something like that? And then it happened again in the border. We have to end this now. Dark engines roared through the little town, tied up the truth, dragged it down, sparked imaginary fires, wrapped the children in wire. No warm hand unlock their cages, still tethered, alone and nameless. Small hearts beating, days interweaving. Politicians sifted through their alibis. Holy men stammered, justified. We must secure our borders. We just follow orders. Lies rain down relentlessly, drowning our common humanity. The river of hatred seething, history repeating. Few bright angels were crucified on the cross of racial pride, backed by AK-47s. Dreams of an Aryan heaven. Dark engines roared through the little town, tied up the truth, dragged her down, sparked imaginary fires, wrapped the children in wire.